Hello everybody, today we are going to make a very delicious hot sour ginger garlic chicken soup. So as you can see, these are the ingredients. So firstly, add olive oil to a pan. This is a very simple soup. Then you have to add garlic and then ginger. Give it a stir. And then add soy sauce. And again give it a stir. Pour the chicken broth into the pan. Add shredded chicken, vermicelli, lemon juice, and some salt and pepper. So if you want your soup to be very hot, so you can add a green pepper. So that's it guys, you have to let it cook for 10 minutes and you can serve your delicious soup. So enjoy. See you in next video.